Hello. So moving on to a children's day nursery investment in Harlow. This property is let to the highly secure tenant of Busy Bees. They're the largest children's nursery provider in the UK. The property benefits from RPI-linked rent reviews, uncapped. And this has operated as a children's day nursery for over 20 years. We're asking £930,000, which is an attractive net initial yield of 8%. We've got two further properties which we are offering for sale by online auction on the 4th of May, unless sold prior. The first of these is a southeast office investment in High Wycombe, which is this one here. The property is let to Linden Homes with a guarantee from Galliford Try, a FTSE 250 company with pre-tax profits of £114 million, so highly secure income, with about just under 6 years unexpired lease term. And we are asking, the guide price is £2 million, which is 10.6%, with a RPI-linked rent review at the end of this year. And based on current RPI figures, the reversion will be to 11.6%. The second property which we're auctioning is another southeast office investment in Banbury, on the highly established Banbury Business Park. This is a very attractive lot size, ideal for a private investor. We're guiding £357,500. It's let on a new lease from 2015. And we're offering it at a capital value of £136 per square foot. The investment value is underpinned by the vacant possession value. There's evidence on the business park itself to support this. So we're offering both this and High Wycombe for sale by online auction. And just to remind you, our online auctions are real-time auctions, not eBay style auctions. So they are live auctions, completely emulating traditional bull auctions, but with us you can bid anywhere you like, wherever you are. It is a live auction process. I think that pretty much covers most of the sales we've got in the market. You can go on to singerviellesales.com to browse all our sales. All the information is there. But I will hand you over to Richard, who, as I said, will talk to you about some new sales we've got coming up to the market shortly. I will pass you over.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to talk to you about some new sales that we've been working on, which we are hoping to bring to the market during the course of next week. They range from a very prominent retail warehouse in a prime regional northwest city. It is a very interesting solus retail warehouse with A1 planning consent that is let to a well-known covenant for a further 6.5 years. The tenant signed a reversionary lease recently to extend by 5 years' time. So they've demonstrated commitment to the property, and it is rack rented and is located on a very busy junction directly or diagonally opposite the prime retail warehouse concentration for the city, which is all institutional owned, as well as a number of other solus retail warehouses, trade counter units and car showrooms. The lot size will be circa £2.5 million, and we will be bringing this to the market hopefully during the course of next week. In addition, we have also been working on a leisure investment in a Hampshire town that is a gaming amusement centre that benefits from a valuable 24-hour license and is situated in the town centre. It also benefits from 2.7% per annum compound fixed increases, and there are another 9.5 years on the lease. The lot size will be around £1.35 million, a net initial yield of 8%. In addition, we've also been working on a really nice retail investment and residential investment in a London commuter town. This will be about £1.75 million and comprises a substantial property with a retail unit on ground floor let to a national covenant and 3 flats above, which are all very spacious and of a high quality and are let on ASTs. And finally, we are also working on a Corals in an attractive Kent town, which will have a 10% net initial yield and a lot size of approximately £300,000. So we are working on these at the moment and should hopefully be bringing them out during the course of next week. So please get in touch or look out for the information when it hits your inbox. Now, I think we just wanted to give finally just a brief sort of overview of the market. So I'll pass you back to Dale.
As the markets, the traditional mainstream market sort of generally cools and perhaps takes a slight back seat as we approach the EU referendum, we're finding a real demand from overseas investors. Richard, I'll pass you over for your thoughts.
Yes, so just reiterating what Dale has said, perhaps the traditional institutional market is taking a breather at the moment, which is providing a great deal of opportunity for the private and property company investors, who we're seeing a lot of interest from in our sales, which range from your single let dry investments to your more management intensive asset management investments as well. An example is of a property we sold a week ago in Bicester, which was a multi-let office investment in the town centre, which we were marketing on behalf of a private property company client of ours, and we saw a good interest in the property from a range of parties. Some we knew, a lot that we don't know, which is quite normal, but we sold it to a property company client who are completing at the beginning of next month. So the market is strong, is seeing good demand for all types of investments from our point of view, and we see no reason why this should stop going forward, even as the vote nears closer. People will see this as an opportunity, which includes both buyers and sellers alike. And that's it. Thank you all very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will be in touch soon with details of our next session. Many thanks and have a good weekend.